Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a studio photo shoot. Thank you to Squarespace for making this free photography video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. This is my first time working with a hairstylist and a makeup artist, and the combo is incredible. So we have our beautiful model, Cody, here, and she actually has her own incredible wardrobe. Everything looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale, and this is one of her dresses. So how about, Cody, let's pass the mic to you. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Like to shoot fairy tale things, so I have a lot of Helene Hawthorne looks. She's a dress designer, and this is one of her dresses.
I love it. How long have you been modeling for?
About 2.5 or 3 years or so.
Okay, nice. I'm so excited that we got connected, and we are doing, so Cody has gotten her glam done earlier today. I'm going to insert that footage, and she did a really, really beautiful soft glam look. I love the eye makeup and the lashes. Like, you look so beautiful, seriously. Olivia is doing the hair.
I was raised by a salon stylist mother, so I've been around hair forever, but I just do like updos and styling for fun.
Now I want to show you guys the studio setup. The studio I'm shooting at is called Sage and Soul. It's in Ruston, which is in Tacoma. It's a couple minutes from Point Defiance Park, and it's amazing. This is maybe my 4th photo shoot in here and my 2nd photo shoot using the light. I am just learning now artificial light, and I only know how to use this. And this light I'm about to show you is like the perfect beginner light. It's called an Edison light, and it emulates window light. I did look up myself how much the light costs, and it costs about $300 if you buy it used on KEH, which is where you can buy like used camera equipment, and it's a legit site. They quality inspect it. And when I buy my own lights, I'm gonna go through KEH. As you can see here, it's a big umbrella. The light inside, you can kind of see this. It's a little square, and the bulb is pointing inside the umbrella. So when I talk about the Edison light, I'm not talking about this whole setup. I'm just talking about this little box inside. I want to get it for my home studio on a smaller umbrella. So those are all separate pieces. So it's on this really cool stand that can wheel, and then you pull this lever to bring it up and down. The closer it is, the softer it is. The further it is, the harsher it is. Don't ask me the science. I just got here. The paper is 109-inch paper, and now it's time to get into actually shooting. Okay, come and take a seat on the throne. Oh, you look so glam. I love it, dude. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna turn on our light, and this is gonna be really sick lighting. I added in the reflector to bounce light back to fill in the shadows. Oh, this is so glam. Okay, I'm gonna show you what the light looks like. It's very dramatic, and your cheekbones pop like crazy. Oh, awesome. Gorge. Can we just take a moment for how every click is a new pose? She really said, okay, okay, come on now. No, now we're shooting, dude. You look so good. Oh my gosh, love. With your hand, whenever you have them up by your face, I love to show the manicure. So instead of having like this, I'm gonna go roll that wrist like it. Yep, exactly. Think of it like as like splaying your fingers out kind of thing. Yep, beautiful. Gorge. Oh my gosh, dude, your eyes are popping like crazy. Love. Oh my gosh.
Okay, Disney.
Let's see. Yes, yes.
Magic hands or
What's magic hands?
I don't know, and like
Yes, I love that. I love that.
bird.
I love that. Bring it really close to you, just even if it feels too close, just for this lens. Oh, that's so gorgeous. That's so cute. Love, I love that. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna get nice and close now. You look so beautiful. Dude, you look like a real, yes, you look like a real life Disney princess. Can you give me straight on face card, never declines? Ooh. Lift your face. Yeah, gorge. The way the flash is like so pro. I love how it's going off. Look on me straight on. Yeah, beautiful. And then can you bring your hand like up under? Oh, that's so gorge. With these two fingers, I'm gonna have you also bring them up a little. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. And then with that pinky, yep. Can you extend the pinky and the, yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then relax the pinky a little bit. And then kind of curve it in a little. Yeah, gorgeous. Oh, that's really cute. Oh my gosh, they just like that. Perfect. Oh, I love that. And then can you give me like a little like, yeah, beautiful. Love. I love that. And then with your hand that's holding this, I'm gonna have you hold it out. Yep, and add a little bit of bend to your elbow. Yep, gorgeous. Gorge. That is so cute. The blue goes crazy. You look so gorge. Have you kind of keep your face towards the light. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, that's stunning. Love it. Beautiful. Lift your face a little bit higher. Yeah, gorgeous. Ooh, I love that. I love that. So beautiful. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, or you want an extra set of eyes on your website before you click publish, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. You can find it on Facebook groups. And I also have the Build and Bloom Photography podcast available for you to listen and learn wherever you get your podcast. I believe in you and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out. And I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.